a decider for my day? Yes or no? Yes. Yes, stay up all night. Yes. I'm just ignoring him. Double ulted, that's fucking awesome. This, you know... You know... Oh my fucking god. I got a trophy. I got an achievement, guys. Okay, what is our invis doing, bro? Hello? Oh shit, say les. Did you customize it so where the heal orb ammo is on the right and the primary fire is right? Orb is right, primary fire is left. I don't know what our invis is doing, dude. They were doing so good, and then, I don't know. They just started fucking throwing, inting. I mean, I have more deaths, but like, I don't know. Maybe I'm the problem. It's not me, guys. I'm perfect. I'm baby. This sucks. Okay, great. Awesome. Good game. Cool. Okay. Love comp. So, I'm never getting GM. We'd have been way into Sleepy Peach hours. It feels like prime 4 hours in type vibe. No, actually, like, I'm up. Oh, random div. Oh, I did the most heals. Dude, what the fuck was our invis doing? Like, actually, bro. Like, they were...